Welcome back, everybody, to our 4th episode of Cooking with Mama Theresa. Today, you're in for a special treat. We're going to be doing Mama's Gallina Parmigiana, aka Chicken Parmesan. And we're going to do an authentic Italian-style portions, and we will be cooking for a family of 4 this time. Now, the reason that I love my mama's chicken parmesan is because one of my favorite and funniest memories growing up as a child in Italy was watching Mama chase a chicken around our backyard, because when Mama said we were going to have fresh chicken parmesan, she meant fresh. All right, these are the ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need 4 chicken breasts, skinless, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, half a cup of Parmesan cheese, 1/3 cup of fresh parsley. You're going to need 2 eggs, and you're going to want to beat those. You're going to need 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. But the most important ingredients that you're going to need is a 16-ounce jar of What's Cooking Mama pasta sauce. And our final ingredients is 3/4 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese. See, Mama? I didn't have time to make mozzarella, so I bought a bag from the store. Oh my gosh. Yes, it is pre-shredded mozzarella in a bag. You want me to use this? This is the real Italian mozzarella? Oh, what my mama says is she doesn't want me to use the store-bought mozzarella, that I need to use the real authentic Italian mozzarella. See, my mama doesn't trust me. She wants me to go ahead and shred the mozzarella in front of her. See. Okay, Mama, we're shredding the fresh mozzarella. Okay, Mama? We're using fresh mozzarella. Oh, my mama doesn't trust me even more. She wants me to give her the store-bought bag. Here you go, Mama. You go ahead and go throw that away, and you don't have to check on me anymore, okay? And I got this.
Vediamo, io ritorno.
My mama says she's going to come back and check on me, okay? Now, these are the tools that you're going to need. You're going to need a cutting board. You're going to need a mixing bowl. You're going to need a set of tongs. You're going to need a mixing spoon. You're going to need a grater for the cheese. You're going to need a meat mallet. And you're going to also need a plastic wrap. Oh, look at that. Look at my mama over there at the window. She's throwing away that store-bought mozzarella. Look at her. My mama is a perfectionist when it comes to Italian cooking. And there's no way you can get away with using any kind of store-bought ingredients. All right, let's dive in here. Step 1, you want to take your chicken breast, but basically really you want to go ahead and you want to wrap your cutting board with plastic wrap. So we're going to go ahead and put plastic on the cutting board. Okay. Then you want to go ahead and you want to place your 4 chicken breasts on top of the plastic wrap, okay? Just like this, okay? You want to go ahead and add another piece of plastic wrap over the top of the chicken breasts, okay? You want to take your meat mallet and you want to use the flat part of your meat mallet, and you want to go ahead and beat the chicken breasts to about 1/8 of an inch thick. Just like this. Okay, just like that. Once that's complete, you want to go ahead and uncover it from the plastic wrap. If we can pull this apart. Okay. And while it's there, you want to go ahead and take your black pepper and your salt, and you want to go ahead and drizzle both sides with your black pepper. Just like that. Then you want to go ahead and flip them over. You want to go ahead and drizzle the salt on top of it with your black pepper on one side. Then you want to go ahead and flip them over. Just like this. And you want to go ahead and season the other side with the black pepper and the salt. Just like that. Drizzle it on there. Try to get it evenly. Alrighty. Once that's done, complete with the salt on the other side. And that's pretty much what you do to go ahead and season the chicken with the black pepper and the salt. Okay, and step 2, you want to take your breadcrumbs, your grated Parmesan cheese, and your fresh parsley. And you want to mix that into a mixing bowl. Okay, put your Parmesan cheese in there, put your breadcrumbs in there, and put your fresh parsley in there. And what you want to do is go ahead and toss and mix this mixture together. Okay, just like that. Okay. I just poured my olive oil in. You want to go ahead and keep it at a medium-high heat. You don't want to burn the oil, watch it. And our next step, we're going to go ahead and we're going to take these 2 eggs and we're going to head and beat them is what we're going to do. Crack your eggs in the pan, just like this, a mixing little bowl. Take your fork and go ahead and mix it just like that. You want to get it all well and mixed. And once you're done that, you might want to transfer it to a larger pan. So that way when you dip your breasts in there, you get well coated. Okay? Now the next step you want to do is you want to take your chicken breasts and you want to coat them with your bread mix. Whoops, we were supposed to dip it into the egg mix. I hope my mama didn't see me. Yeah, she's not around. Okay, so you want to coat it really well with the eggs. Just like that. And then what you want to do, shake it a little bit. And then go ahead and put it straight into the breadcrumb mix. And you want to coat it really, really well. Okay, just like this. And you want to kind of pound on it. That's what Mama does. She makes sure that all the bread, and you want to make sure you get it really nice and coated. Okay, on both sides. Look at that. Look at the way that's all marinating and getting it all together. Okay, we're going to go ahead and set this one to the side, and we're going to go ahead and start the next one. Aye. Mama, why do you want to see my breadcrumb mix? I did exactly like your recipe calls for.
Perché non hai fatto la parmigiana, la mozzarella giusta e non fai nemmeno il pane?
No, I can't. My mama says that since I can't do mozzarella right, I certainly can't do a breadcrumb mix.
Io vado dentro e preparo la mia e dopo ti faccio vedere.
My mama says that she's going to go inside and she's going to make this meal and show me how it's made. No, Mama, you don't have to do that. Wait, maybe she won't intrude on us anymore. Yes, Mama, you go ahead and you go make that and we'll compare. Now we're going to take our next chicken breast and we're going to go ahead and dip it in the egg, just like the first one. We're going to do both sides really well, okay? You want to pick it up and you want to kind of shake it so it drips off. You want to place it in the breadcrumbs, just like this. Don't be shy. Okay, now after you've breaded the second piece and you got it really, really good, and don't be shy with that, really coat it. We're going to go ahead and take it and put it directly into the frying pan, okay? And we're going to do the second one too, right here, just like this, okay? Now we're going to go ahead and turn the heat up a little bit more. Okay, now after you put the fourth one in there, you want to go ahead and let them sit in there, and don't cover them, for 8 to 10 minutes, okay? Or when it's fork tender or the juices run clear. Okay, while we're waiting for that to cook, I'm going to give you a little chicken Parmesan story from our restaurant that me and Mama had in Sturgis. It was during bike week and the restaurant was packed. And well, a group of 12 bikers came in and they all wanted chicken Parmesan. And I was trying to tell them we don't have chicken Parmesan on the menu. And even if we did, Mama couldn't make 12 chicken Parmesan entrees in a short amount of time. Well, Mama heard this. She came out from the back and she says, no, 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 I'm going to handle this. She went back in the back, she got working on it, and in no time flat, Mama had 12 entrees of chicken Parmesan. These bikers were so impressed that they left Mama a $350 tip. That's how much they loved my Mama's food. Okay, you want to go ahead and flip them over, but you only want to flip them once during the whole process of the cooking. And remember, it's for 8 to 10 minutes or when it's fork tender and juices run clear. So what you want to do is you want to take the 16-ounce jar of Mama sauce. You want to have a little saucepan where you can go ahead and heat it. Okay? And again, at about medium heat. All right, just like that. Now while that's warming up, let's go ahead and check our chicken breasts here. Yep, it looks like they're pretty much ready. Remember, you only want to flip them once, but you want them, like I said, we need a little bit more on them. Okay, looks like our chicken is done. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and drizzle some mozzarella on each one of the chicken breasts, okay? Just like this. I gotta tell you, if you could smell this, oh my gosh. It might not be as much as drizzling as piling on. I don't know about you guys, but I like a lot of cheese on my chicken Parmesan. All right. Now, right after this step here, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and cover it for a few minutes to allow the mozzarella to melt. It looks like our chicken breasts are ready, so we're going to go ahead and dish them out. We're going to put them in this larger plate, like a family size. Okay. Okay, now the next step we want to do is take some spaghetti because we want to serve it. Put your spaghetti on a plate just like this. I like a lot of spaghetti, so a little bit more there. Okay, then you want to take one of these chicken breasts and place it right on top of the spaghetti. You want to go ahead and get What's Cooking Mama pasta sauce here. And you want to go ahead and add it onto your dish. Okay. I like a lot of sauce. Okay. Okay, now you want to garnish with a sprig of parsley. Okay. So we're going to take some parsley here and we're going to go ahead and garnish the meal. Oh, look at that. Mama made her own plate. Well, let's put mine over here. And let's compare. And Mama, let's go ahead and taste this.
Io non voglio assaggiare il mangiare che hai preparato.
Oh, no. My mama says she doesn't want to taste mine. Well, you know what, Mama? I'm going to taste both for us, and I'll tell you how it is. Okay? Oh, mine is so delicious, Mama. Wow. Let me try yours. Now I'm going to try Mama's. Here we go. Wow, Mama, I think yours tastes better. You had to have cheated. There's something in here that's different than mine that you didn't tell me on this recipe.
No, è uguale.
Wow, Mama. I guess Mama has a magic touch. She's the real Italiano cook here. Thank you for joining us. Please try the recipe and comment below on how it turned out. And please join us next time for episode 5 because we're going to be cooking Mama's Italian pork chops. And I'll see you then. I got to get back to this. Mama, I'm eating yours. It's so delicious.